long time no see. I know I'm back after a long time because my battery was a bit low. I wasn't feeling well. My throat is still not good enough. But I just felt कि मुझे आना चाहिए, आप तुमसे मिलना चाहिए because this one topic I wanted to really make from such a long time, and I was not feeling strong enough maybe to share my experience with you, क्योंकि ये मेरे लिए बहुत सेंसिटिव टॉपिक है. एंड you know, 3 years back when I was experiencing this ectopic pregnancy, and there was nothing on the net just to find some hope या जानने के लिए कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, क्या हुआ, and what should I do to make everything right, और कि ये हो क्या रहा exactly, what is the symptom and what is the aftercare. I couldn't find anything. So I just thought वैसे this should have been my first topic on the my channel, but better late than never. मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी according to my experience, my personal experience, कि what is ectopic pregnancy, what are the symptoms, and what is the aftercare. And yes, I know if you are watching this video right now, you might be my friend, my subscriber, or if you are someone who is experiencing this right now and feeling the same way I was feeling 2-3 years back, please write your questions on the comment section below. I'll try to answer them. I'm not a doctor, I'm not an expert, but yes, I've experienced it. Maybe I have answer to your problem, or if I don't have an answer also, you can share your experience just to feel better, because I know sharing something like this with someone you know is not at all easy. So let me tell you what is an ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy happens when the egg and sperm they get fertilized, but they do not get implanted on the uterus wall. It is called an ectopic pregnancy. In ectopic, it can get implanted or attached anywhere other than the uterus wall. So today I'll start with the sign of ectopic pregnancy, that how do you come to know if you have an ectopic pregnancy or if you can have it or not. See, for the first point, nobody can tell if you can have an ectopic or not, because that what even my doctor said. My all reports were like fine, everything was right, but I don't have that answer, and I did not get that answer from my doctor as well, and from any other source. Initially, you'll obviously not come to know if you have an ectopic, because it will look like any other normal pregnancy. You will have missed period, and after missed period, if you will take a pregnancy test, that will be a positive. You will have breast tenderness, you will have nausea, you will have backache, you will have morning sickness, and all the signs you have during pregnancy as well. But if you have ectopic, then you will start bleeding, and that not just spotting like some people have during the pregnancy. It can be heavy bleeding. For in my case, I started bleeding. Then you have a backache, that backache or abdominal pain or the pelvic pain, a really bad one, bad pain you'll experience. You'll feel dizzy, you'll feel weak, and if you're feeling something like this, immediately go to the doctor, because ectopic pregnancy is a serious complication in early pregnancy. So you have to rush to the doctor if you're feeling that something is wrong, because you will come to know it is life threatening. you not come to know on time if you are having ectopic. The tubes might burst if the implantation is on the tube. Like what I experienced in my case, I was at home, my husband was in the office, and I started feeling this pain. Feel that I have a backache. Maybe I'll lie down, yeah, I'll take some rest and it'll go. It won't go away. You will try lying down, sitting up, or doing some stretching or walking. The pain doesn't go by changing the side. If you're lying, it will just not go away, and you will come to know. So the same happened with me. I started bleeding, and I was feeling this dizziness, and I was feeling so. I am not able to explain right now. Like you come to know. So I just called my husband. We went to the doctor. On the way, my car saved me, and I just vomited. Then we went to the hospital, and after reaching the hospital, I went for an ultrasound. They do an internal ultrasound. Then just started fainting. I just felt that I'm feeling sleepy or I'm fainting, and something. We rushed to the doctor back. We showed the report, and she told my husband that they have to do an emergency operation of mine. So we went to I went to the OT. I got hospitalized, and my operation was done. My right fallopian tube got removed. If you want to know how you'll come to know in initial stage if you are ectopic, there are few tests like HCG. HCG test is a test, blood test, where you come to know if your pregnancy hormones are increasing, growing. If it's not increasing, that means the pregnancy is not a healthy one. And the second is obviously ultrasound. By an ultrasound test, you will come to know if the pregnancy is in the right place, it's in the uterus, the sac is there, the fetus is there, if it's growing or not, you will come to know by that. So these two, I think, are the tests which should be done initially to confirm the pregnancy. Now if I talk about the recovery after care of an ectopic pregnancy, see, aftercare is almost same like you deliver a baby, because your body goes through so much. You are not able to sit or stand, or you have to go for a bed rest for a few days, a week maybe, 2-3 days you will be in the hospital. If you experience this, you will be in the hospital, and then at home also you need someone to assist you, to take care of you. You will not be able to sit or stand or do anything on your own. So not even go to the washroom or take a bath. My husband did everything for me, and the doctor gives you medicine to get better for healing, and you get few stitches, horizontal stitches in the front. So if I talk about physical recovery, that can be done through medicines. You will take rest, you will eat right, all the healthy food, you will take those medicines. But if I have to talk about the psychological or emotional recovery, it takes time. It takes time, and for that you really need your family support, your friends, your siblings, or anyone. You will take time. Everything will be fine, nothing to worry about. As you've seen my baby, I had this ectopic pregnancy in November, and I conceived again in July. November 2017 I had this problem, and in July 18th I conceived, and that too really healthy pregnancy it was, and I had no complication for the pregnancy. It was just good. I was eating right, I was feeling right. I was, and as you can see, he's a happy kid, so there's no problem with me now, no problem with the baby. But yes, I if you want to know me that if you want to know from me if I can have a topic again, so the answer is quite possible. I have had if I had a previous topic, then I might have, there's a case that I might experience it again, or even not. So this is something not, I'm not sure of what will happen. But yes, you for psychological recovery, it will need time. You might feel really depressed, you might feel traumatized. That is normal. To feel bad is normal, to feel depressed is normal. So don't think that वो मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया, अब क्या होगा, अच्छा होता है, डिप्रेस होंगे, परेशान होंगे, इट्स ओके टू फील बैड, इट्स ओके टू sleep all day, it's okay not to feel like doing so many things, not meeting people, it's okay. It happens, it happened to me. But it's okay if you feel like that. But the important thing is, things change, and it is not something that you will be living with your life. You're not going to live with it your entire life. Most of the people don't talk about such things. We don't talk about these scandals. We just talk about good things in our life. We make videos as a mom YouTuber. I make, and it's not my serious intention that I make only happy moments, or I just make videos of my baby smiling and feeling happy and we are having fun. We have low moments also. Everyone has their highs and lows. It happens with everyone. It's not my serious decision that I'll make only good videos where I portray only I have to portray myself like a perfect person, perfect woman. It's not my intention to do that. And it generally happens, we keep all the sad and serious and bad and such emotions to ourselves. Especially I don't feel so comfortable. I'm not a person who talks much. If you have noticed, I make such short videos. I like to talk really in the point to point. I give just pointers and I just leave. I don't talk much. So for me, it's not easy. And if you are a person like this who doesn't like talking much, and so कुछ ऐसा सीरियस होता है तो आप बिल्कुल ही नहीं बात बताओगे. अच्छी बात है तो हम शेयर करते हैं, अच्छा ऐसा हो वैसा. पर जो हमारी लाइफ में मे बी वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट ऑफ फीलिंग जज्ड, of getting judged by others, what will people say. I've never worried about all this, that what will people say. It's just that I did not make it because I was not ready to share it. Just to remember it again is not easy. So this was the end of my today's video, and sharing your fears and your problems doesn't make you any less of a woman. And if you want to share your experience or anything, you write in the comment section below. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel if you want to know more of my experiences, or I would love to hear from you. So, and have you as a part of my community. Bye for today, and soon see you with another video of mine. Bye.